and runs a $1 million lawn care and landscaping business.
This is what we used last year.
That's 1,000 gallon?
Yep, and saves us a lot of money too. Super versatile, we love all the setups that we have.
What's up guys, welcome to Fayetteville, Arkansas. Today, Eric Hill from Fay-Ark is gonna show us his shop tour. Now, Eric is 21 years old and runs a $1 million lawn care and landscaping business. And so we're out here on the family farm, 5th generation farm, where he keeps his equipment. He's gonna show us kind of his setup and the efficiency, his fuel tanks, and how they operate their business. So without further ado, show us what you got, Eric.
Yep.
Show me what you got.
We've got our fuel tanks there.
Is that your Kia?
No.
You don't drive a
Chevy
Kia?
only.
That's my Kia. I told my F-150, see ya.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get me a Kia.
Yeah. So we've got blade sharpener, just all of our small stuff's in here. Blade sharpener, battery chargers. We use a bunch of Milwaukee handheld equipment. Batteries last very well, and small jobs, small trim jobs and whatnot. It's easy to use and a lot better than gas. PPE tools, just all sorts of stuff through here. And then the pack outs, try and stay efficient on our landscape jobs, just all the small tools. And then just all of our small tools, all the supplies that we can keep in bulk, we do, just to save time from running to Lowe's or to the landscape supply store and
To Lowe's. We shot at Lowe's around here, boy.
Oh yeah. And just trying to save time where we can. And then we got all of our door hangers, uniforms, whatnot.
Can you show us a door hanger?
These are a couple years old.
Did you watch Al Blade's door hanger video back in the day? Postcard? Before Al Blades was Al Blades, man, he used to make videos showing door hangers. Nice.
Yeah, this is what we used last year. Just wrote the price on it, just kind of plain and simple. But they've worked really well for us. It's not a huge return, but it's nice for those
Tried and true.
Yeah, all those neighborhoods.
So drip, you got your website, Google My Business.
Yep.
All right, you want to show us the fun stuff over here?
Yeah. We got all the sprayers, all the limb printers, everything like that. All mainly run Echo, all the handheld equipment and everything. And yeah, that's about it. Then we got try and keep more stuff in stock, all our drainage fittings and whatnot. So just try and stay stocked up and keep the store here versus going out and shopping every day for each job.
Yeah, how you like that 80-10?
Oh, we love it. Yeah. Love the 90-10s better, but.
Oh, you have 90-10s?
Yep.
Where are those at?
On the trucks.
Okay.
Yep, and then out here, we've got all of our hand tools, wheelbarrows, etc. Got all of our edging. Normally have drain pipe
nice.
here. Yep, try and keep everything simple, somewhat organized, and just be efficient. And then the rest of our stuff is out there.
All right.
So.
Are those your family's animals over there?
Yep.
What are those?
One's a Jersey, and the other one looks like an Ashire dairy cattle.
Nice.
Yep. Yep.
Was that your job as a kid, milking?
Yeah, that's how I bought my first truck, is in that barn there. We would have milk cows and raise baby calves and sell them. So, yeah, been farming since I was born. That's where I grew up, in that house right there.
Oh, cool.
Yep. If you want to go out there, we can drive back there and take a look at everything else.
One eternity later.
Here's our fuel tanks that we have. Got gas. All of our trucks are gas. It saves us tons of time, just each day filling up.
That's 1,000 gallon?
Yep. And then we got our 500 of diesel for our skid steers in my truck. Saves us hours upon hours just of guys not stopping at a gas station, coming straight here to fill up, and saves us a lot of money too.
And so at the end of the workday, they just roll through here, and so you start every morning on fuel,
Yep.
on full?
Yep, so when they come in, they unload stuff they need to unload, get fueled up for the next day, that way they can just roll out the next morning. And here, our shop used to be in these 2 containers and we were crammed to the max. But now we just use them to store bulk material. We've got all our seed and some salt from the winter in here. And then.
So you use fescue seed and then you use Bermuda sod?
Yep. Normally when we seed stuff, it's just a fescue mix of just trying to get get some germination. And we've got more salt and garden soil and everything in there. Then we got most common rock we use is just chocolate 1.25" rock, and then mulch, oversized rock, some 3/4 clean, and then just kind of boneyards of all the stuff left over.
What's Caleb Allman say about all that?
Oh yeah.
He has a name for it. Graveyard or?
Yeah, boneyard.
Boneyard, yes.
Yep. And we've got our main mowing truck with the ramp rack. Just 36 and 48-inch mowers, all Echo equipment. Got the Milwaukee push mower. Really like it.
What do you think about that 90-10?
Oh, we love it, especially for leaf season. We need to get a couple more.
And then what kind of mowers you all running?
We run Hustler. So I've ran Hustler since I first got on a mower, so I've stuck with them, and they're a great dealer around here.
And what are these, the 2620s? Or?
Yep. I think one's a PAS system. Throw that stick edger on there if we need to. And then
you got a little Milwaukee hidden up there?
Yep. We got the push mower for our couple yards that we push mow, and tired of gas push mowers. Here's our flower bed enhancement truck. We got the hand tool racks, undercarriage toolboxes to keep as many tools on here as we can. We had a custom fab leaf box that we put on here, and we've got our debris loader that hooks on a trailer and just shoots it in there. So that's our leaf setup in the fall, and we love this thing for mulch and flower bed cleanups and everything like that. And everything else. Got more mulch out there. Got 2 other trucks sitting out there if you want to go look at those.
Sure, let's go.
One eternity later.
We have our hybrid truck where it's mowing half the week, doing landscape maintenance, flower bed work, that sort of thing.
Let's look at these Hustlers. So this is, what size decks these?
First one, this one right here is a 36.
So you like these stand-on Hustlers?
Yep, we really like them. I don't want to get another 0 turn. They're a lot more efficient on the small yards, just getting off.
And that's a 52?
Yep, that was my first one I bought. It's got 1,000 or so hours on it, so it's getting up there to replace it.
That's what the lawn care juggernaut has, doesn't he?
I think so. Yep, and then we've got 4 Hustlers, and we're gonna get more of them as soon as they come in stock. Yep.
Check this one out.
Then we've got our 1 ton for the landscape installs. As you can see, we got some sod. We got the mini skid and the Harley rig to do some grading work tomorrow and get a drainage job finished up. So it's super versatile. We love, all the setups that we have. They have their set purpose, and we try and just stay as efficient as we can with them.
How many attachments do you have for your skid steer?
I've got 4. So I've got
Harley rake, a bucket.
Yep, pallet forks, and then a tree auger. So we got the 2-inch bit where we can just dig a hole in minutes, or really seconds.
What's your thoughts on this Bobcat? Has it been a good machine for you? Or?
Yeah, it's done the job. I wish I had one that could lift more, just like a pallet of sod like the Ditch Witch 1550. But it's done good. We've used it for what we need it for, and we'll probably upgrade eventually to something bigger, but it does the job right now.
Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I love it out here in the farm and the country in good old Arkansas. And so thanks for showing us your shop, Eric.
No problem. Thanks for having me on. I really appreciate it.